Oh, hey, how's it going? I don't know if you've heard, but there's this virus thing going around right now, and I'm just trying to stay safe and stay metal with this defeated sanitizer. Check them out. So hello, headbangers, moshers, thrashers, whatever have you, metalheads. I'm back at you with a second video on my new YouTube channel with April's. I think we're at April. Metalhead Box. I'm gonna start doing some other videos for you as well, hoping to actually get that YouTube channel up and running with some subscribers and whatnot. So check me out. So yeah, if you don't know what the Metalhead Box is, it's a monthly subscription service where you get all kinds of goodies, pins, patches, sometimes other random items, t-shirts, autographs, a lot of items exclusive to the Metalhead Box, and a lot of music that no metalhead can do without. So be sure to check them out if you haven't yet. Let's see what we got this month. And the item on top is a pin, looks like. Really cool pin. That's the guy on the cover of Death's album Leprosy. One of my favorite Death albums, so I'm glad I got that. That'll go nicely on any battle vest. The second item we got here is really cool. I've actually gotten another one of these. This is the Motorhead War Pig action figure. I've gotten already the Slayer Baphomet. I'm not a big fan of Ghost, but it'd be cool to see King Diamond come in one of these boxes maybe, or if not, for collectors, I might as well see about getting one. No t-shirt this time, which I'm assuming is because of the crazy shit going on everywhere, and it's hard to you know, get everything you need to put in these boxes. The Metalhead Box, I'm sure, compensates in some way or another, and they have, because there's 3 CDs here rather than 2. These CDs are awesome because you always get stuff that maybe you've never heard of. This one I have heard of, though. Helgard, Blackened Death Metal. Don't have any of their stuff, so I'm actually really glad to have this. Cool album art with songs like Palace of the Fading Light, The Trance of Empyrean, Blessings from the Funeral Pyre, Blackened Death Metal for sure. I'm gonna be jamming that a little bit later on. The second album we have here is from a band I think called Blasphemous. I've actually never heard them, but you can't go wrong with a band like that. Really cool album art. The album is called Emerging Through Fire, with songs like The Unholy Light, Salvation Denied, Mouth of Lies. I'm going to go ahead and say either Death or Blackened Death Metal. Horror, Pain, Gore, Death. So they usually put out some pretty brutal stuff. Pretty good label. I have a few things from them already, actually. This band is called Crepsicolo, I think. Yeah, Crepsicolo, with the album Revolution Evolution. Also on Horror, Pain, Gore, Death. And I'm thinking I might have found the first black metal album on that label that I can recall finding. Got a really old school vibe there, with songs like Black Winter Storm, Brewing Blood, Essence of Pain, The Lyricist, I Saw You Dying. Has a kind of a black metal vibe. Definitely check that out later. I don't know anything about them. Next we have a really cool patch. Got the yellow Baphomet from Bathory, which is welcome on any vest. I'm a huge Bathory fan, so that's going to be awesome to have on my vest. Last item in the box is the autograph, which comes in mostly every box. I don't want to say his last name, but his name is Gene from the band Perdition Temple. If you haven't heard them, check them out. They're on Hell's Headbangers, I believe. Blackened death metal, top notch. Here is the Metalhead Box's website and logo. Look for that logo on Facebook, and look for that website if you wish to sign up. Maybe get yourself a box, try it out. I highly recommend it. It's been one of the better parts of the month for me with all this crap going on. It's something to look forward to, so I highly recommend you check them out. I have yet to be disappointed with anything that they've sent me, so check them out. Keep your eyes on my YouTube channel, the black metal or death metal. Metal Dad ist Krieg. Sorry about that. Stay safe, stay brutal, stay metal. Until next time.